Good afternoon, student. Myself, Sunil Dakre, studying you biology. Topic reproduction. Reproduction we have already studied in our syllabus, chapter first and second. That is reproduction in plants and reproduction in animals. Now, due to that COVID-19, some syllabus that is excluded or eliminated from our syllabus, that from that reproduction, that excluded syllabus, that are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction is there. Asexual removed from plants and that is from animals also. Now already we study about the reproduction, definition, types. Reproduction, that means production of new organism. Now that new organism formed, that may be by sexual method or maybe by asexual method. Now by sexual methods that are present in our syllabus and asexual reproduction removed. Now in plants, sexual reproduction or for sexual reproduction, the organs, reproductive organs of plant body, that is called as what? Flower. Flower is the reproductive organ of plant. Now parts of flower. You also dissect that flower having stalk like petiole, afterward outer whole calyx, photosynthetic, inner to that second whole colored corolla, and inner to that corolla reproductive organ androecium and gynoecium present. Androecium, that is the male reproductive organ of flower. Gynoecium, that is female reproductive organ of flower. Now in our syllabus, in our topic, most important question in sexual reproduction, that is about the section of transfer section of TS of anther. Now androecium and gynoecium. Parts of androecium and parts of gynoecium. Parts of androecium, that is what? Parts of androecium: filament, connective and anther. That are the parts of androecium. And parts of gynoecium: style, stigma and ovary. Now in TS of anther, transfer section of anther, anther where it is present. Anther is the part of that androecium. Part of that androecium. Androecium consists of filament, connective, anther. Now anther is the part of that androecium. Now that anther, if we cut in such a way, then it is called as TS, transverse section of anther. Now in TS of anther, maximum time that TS of anther, describe TS of anther or explain diagrammatically TS of anther, that asked a maximum time for 3 marks. Sometimes only that diagram which you can see, that is for 2 marks. Now histology or transverse section of anther we will study today. TS of anther or transverse section of anther. Now anther, it consists of main 2 parts. Which 2 parts? Wall and here that's circular 4 you can see here, that are the 4 pollen sac. Now wall, first one wall. Anther wall consists of 4 layers. Outer wall, that is called as epidermis. Outermost part of anther wall, epidermis, single layered. Below that, the second layer, that is the endothecium. Third layer below that endothecium, that is the middle layer, 2-3 layered, middle layer, and last word, innermost, fourth layer of anther wall, that is the tapetum. Tapetum, that is the last layer, innermost wall of anther, and that tapetum, again, it forms the boundary of that pollen sac. That are the pollen sacs, and border or boundary of that pollen sac, that is formed with the help of that tapetum, and that tapetum is nutritive in function. Nutritive in function means it supply nutrition. That tapetum supply nutrition to the developing pollen grain. Here pollen grain formed in pollen sac. Pollen sac forms pollen grain, and for the development of that pollen grain, tapetum provides supply nutrition. Now here 4 pollen sac present. How much? 4 pollen sac present, and each 4 pollen sac produces pollen grains. Now pollen grains here produced by the process of microsporogenesis. Microspores means pollen grain. Pollen grain are male gamete, and that male gamete or pollen grain produced in pollen sac by the process known as microsporogenesis. Now here pollen grain produced that are present in the group of 4. Again, look, listen here. 4 pollen sac present. Within that 4 pollen sac, pollen grain produced, and that pollen grain again in the group of 4, that is called as pollen tetrad. Tetrad, you know, tetrad means 4, tetra means 4. Now that pollen grain in the group of 4, so called as pollen tetrad, and that formed by meiosis. And now all that are in the center of that, there is a presence of connective tissue or connective. You know, here is a connective, and that connective can be drawn here in anther. Within diagram of anther, there is a presence of connective. That connective, label here connective. In board, that diagram asked for 2 marks and with explanation for 3 marks. Maximum time that is asked, and that is the structure of transverse section of anther. Now, you know pollen grain. What is the structure of pollen grain? You know, pollen grain, that is male gamete produced in anther. Anther is the part of androecium, and next time we will see the next topic. Now today you draw that diagram. And that diagram post on my WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you, students.